I'm teaching today is 3 beautiful arrangement for the one bouquet and material from my backyard. Okay, I have this container name of the princess, so I'm using for this one. So I just cut the color lily, just a line to show the beautiful, and then from that the bouquet I choose this little chrysanthemum and put in the front. Okay, so then I just cut off the color lilies leaves, and one there and then one show. This is the example of the two material for the simple arrangement. For this arrangement, I'm using grabilia, already dried up, and two sunflower. So first of all, I try to be making a line, and then starting to insert kenza. Really slanting down. Next one, put in the sunflower. And another one. I'm using from the bouquet from the Trader Joe. I use the Sweet Williams. We have two stems. So bouquet has the two sunflower and the little small flower too. So I just put in one big item and then little small items. Now I'm choosing for the stem. So I really like this line. So a little high up. Plus maybe one or two grabilia. Okay, this is it. I used some dried material I have at home, and then two different material, which is the sunflower and the Sweet Williams. So completely another arrangement. Next arrangement, I use this kale from my house. And this is my front porch. I'm cutting. This arrangement I'm using for the leftover from the bouquet and for kale. First one, the longest one is going to be here. And next one. So I'm making for the bone structure. Now I'm using for this Matsumoto. Next one, I have only one stem, this Alstroemeria. Okay, last number for kale. I'm taking a little bit beef off. And then this area. And 2 guava days. Now my arrangement is complete. So this is the kale my yard full. And this is Matsumoto and Alstroemeria and the guava daisy.